Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zen to PC Zen Studio. First, make sure your Zen device is powered on and ready. Next, download and install the most current Zen Studio software directly from the official website. It's crucial to use a high-quality micro USB cable, preferably one that is about 3 feet long, to ensure a stable and reliable data connection between your Zen and your personal computer. This initial setup is key for a smooth experience. Once Zen Studio is open, navigate to the Device tab, typically found on the left-hand side panel. Here, you should see your Zen device recognized and clearly displayed within the software interface. If it's not, double-check your cable and connections. It's also highly recommended to update your Zen's firmware to the newest available version. This ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes, providing the best possible performance and compatibility with your games and scripts. Now, let's load some content. Head over to the Programmer tab within Zen Studio. From here, you can easily drag and drop your desired game packs or custom scripts directly into the available slots. Your Zen device typically has up to 8 memory slots for these. After placing your chosen content, make sure to save your configuration to the Zen device. This action writes the data to its internal memory, making it ready for immediate use in your gaming sessions. Encountering issues? Don't worry. If your Zen isn't connecting, first try a different USB port on your personal computer or even a new micro USB cable. Sometimes, a simple restart of both your PC and the Zen device can resolve minor communication glitches. For long-term stability, make it a habit to regularly check for updates to both Zen Studio software and your Zen's firmware. Staying current ensures you avoid common problems and enjoy a seamless experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.